Good morning, guys. So it is Saturday, December 1st, and I feel like I am not in the Christmas spirit at all. I think like everything's just been so busy lately for me that I haven't really had time to enjoy the season, and I feel like everyone on YouTube has been celebrating Christmas since like November, and so I feel like I'm so late and so out of it. I got this advent calendar from Essie yesterday. It's actually a really cute idea, and it's only 12 days. It's $40. You can get it at Walmart. I thought that was a cute idea because whether you start on the 1st until the 12th or wait until the 12th until the 24th, I think that's a really fun idea. So this is just what it looks like inside, and I don't know if it's full-sized or what, so maybe I'll open up number one. Oh, it looks like I'm not sure. Well, it is a very pretty red. Some are full size, some are small, but this is a beautiful red. I think I'm actually gonna paint my nails this red right now. I need to go to Winners today because we are doing a Signet pop-up event on December 4th, so I'm not sure when this video is gonna go up. I have a few videos that are in line, but we're doing a Signet pop-up on December 4th, and so we just want to get our little table set up to be really fun and wintry and kind of reminiscent of our holiday shoot that we did. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. I also want to share with you some of my favorite hair products that I've been using. My hair has definitely gotten way thinner since I stopped doing bulletproof every day, and I haven't had to dye my hair in a really long time, which can kind of result in my hair looking a little bit dull. And so I've been using this brightening and kind of brass resistant shampoo by Amika, and so I wanted to share that with you because I always get questions about purple shampoos and everything. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I have my face lathered with Egyptian magic because for whatever reason I'm having a little bit of a breakout. I get a lot of questions about what shampoos and stuff I use on my hair because I do have a balayage. The cool thing about a balayage though is that your hair can sometimes look darker and then sometimes it looks way lighter. So I kind of love having that variety in my hair color. My hair naturally does pull a little bit red. I think over the years my hair is kind of like bleached just because I've been balayaging for so long. But at the same time, especially because I haven't been getting my hair done as frequently, my hair definitely does need a little bit of like a brightening, not treatment, but just like something to brighten it up and make it look fresher. So the color that's in my hair has been in my hair since like May, and so I think it's definitely good to have a product that can brighten up your hair and also cut whatever brass you have. Well, I've been trying out this line by Amika. It's called Bust Your Brass, and there's actually a really amazing gift set that I'm going to show you guys for the holidays that you can get. If you're not familiar with why blondes use purple shampoo, it basically has to do with color theory. Orange and purple are at the opposite ends of the color wheel, and it's really beneficial for people who want to avoid yellow tones in their hair or brassy tones in their hair, because if you look at the color wheel, the color directly opposite of yellow is purple. So by adding a purple shampoo or conditioner or, you know, treatment, it kind of cancels out the yellow and just make your hair look brighter. I have been loving the Bust Your Brass shampoo and conditioner system. This is probably the most pigmented system that I have ever seen. A lot of the times the shampoos will be, you know, purple, but then the conditioners will still be clear. Both of these are purple. So if you have like ice blonde hair or white hair, or even like with me, I feel like I can tell a noticeable difference. This could be really beneficial and help keep your hair looking fresher, color-wise, longer. Purple shampoo is not a shampoo that you're supposed to use every single day. It's recommended, you know, between 1 to 2 times a week if you have really, really blonde hair and you're fighting off the brassy tones. So typically, like what I'll do is I'll do 1 good wash a week using this system, and then if I feel like I need it, I can mix it into my regular shampoo and conditioner just for a little bit of an extra punch. This product is a really cool product and something that's definitely unique. It's the Bust Your Brass Violet Leave-In Treatment Foam. So I'm just taking a little bit and I'm gonna just focus that at the bottom of my hair where most of my blonde is now. I know a lot of new blondes, like my friend Steph, my friend Alex, my mom has like all blonde hair, who this would just be like an amazing product for us. It has optical brighteners to just kind of brighten up your hair. If you're familiar with my channel, I really don't use a lot of high-end shampoos or conditioners because in my experience, for whatever reason, they always make my hair feel like worse coming out of the shower. And so I was a little hesitant before trying this out because I was like, I really don't want my hair to feel dry, but I was super thrilled that I did not have an issue issue with the Bust Your Brass shampoo or conditioner.
The shampoo is loaded with beneficial ingredients like wild cherry bark extract, which helps bring out color, shine, and softness. The conditioner is also loaded with hydrolyzed keratin, and it also has shea butter, which is full of vitamins.
Not only is this shampoo cruelty-free, it's also sulfate-free, gluten-free, all the bad stuff that you don't want in your shampoo, it's free of that. One more thing I just want to share with you before I go and do my makeup is that I was so impressed by the Amika products that I actually went onto Sephora.com and ordered the Soul Food Nourishing Mask, and I have been loving it. It's been keeping my hair so nice and hydrated during this time of year. Amika has a bunch of different gift sets. This Bust Your Brass set is under $50, so it's a great gift for a friend or someone who just went blonde or someone who you know likes to try new hair products. So now that my hair is dry, I'm gonna go do my makeup and then maybe I will curl it later.
Okay, so we are currently on our way to the grocery store. I got ready and I kind of love the way my hair and makeup turned out today. I feel like my hair just looks really fresh and vibrant, but I have not gone to the grocery store since I got home on Monday from Pennsylvania because this week has just been crazy with Black Friday on CNC. We've been working so hard to get your orders out as quickly as possible. So yeah, we're just gonna stop at the grocery store, pick up some necessities, and then fingers crossed, I'd really like to get the tree up or at least some Christmas decor up tonight. Do you guys get real trees or fake trees? My entire life I've only had a fake tree, but Sierra was telling me that she loved having a real tree, that it made it smell so good, so I'm thinking maybe a real tree. Do you want to get a real tree or a fake tree?
How much is that?
$32.
But you don't have the base for it.
We'll think about it.
So we just got back from running some errands and Mike is putting the lights out on the balcony right now. I didn't do this last year for whatever reason, and in order to try and get into this Christmas spirit, I have my nails painted red from that advent calendar. It's actually a really pretty color, and I'm gonna show you what I got at the grocery store. I do at least want to go downstairs and get my bin so I can get out like some of my wreaths and stuff. I showed you my, I cannot talk. I showed you my advent calendar with the nail polish. Babe, do you mind closing the door just because it's clanking around a lot? I actually got this a few weeks ago. I saw it and I was like, they're not gonna have it anywhere. But Mike got this for me a few weeks ago. It's the Reese's holiday calendar. This is the first year I've ever seen a Reese's holiday calendar. Let me know in the comments down below if you pronounce it Reese's or Reese's, because I pronounce it Reese and I don't know how people can pronounce it Reese. I'm not sure what the plan is for the rest of the night. Like I said, I would like to bring up some of my Christmas decor from my storage, have ingredients to make cookies. I might make cookies. I got some Trader Joe's pizza dough, so we got some ingredients to make pizza dough. I think we're gonna do like a sausage, pepper, just like yummy pizza. I got some fresh mozzarella, and I got a really good pasta sauce. I said that very American, pasta. This is something that I don't buy very often because this jar literally costs $13. But it really is the best jarred sauce. It has the most authentic flavor and it doesn't taste like acidic in the normal way that I find jarred sauces do. I also got ingredients to make cookies because we saw these. They're the Chip Bits cookies and cream white chips and chocolate cookie bits. I got, you know, some kale because there's this kale and farro salad I want to make this week. It has pomegranate seed, roasted hazelnuts. Oh, I wanted to show you this. This I got when I was in the US at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I love fresh popcorn. I make it, well, I go through phases where I will literally make it every single night, and my favorite combo, I think I've shown in a video before, is granulated garlic, nutritional yeast, sea salt, smoked paprika. It is so, so good, but I don't know what it was. For a while, I would make it like at nighttime and then I would eat it before bed and I'd wake up with really bad stomach, like a stomach ache, and I know it's because of the popcorn because I don't know, you know, like when you just know, like it's like the last thing you ate and it just didn't have time to digest, and I guess corn is something that's a little harder to digest. It was super cheap and it's actually a really cool concept. So basically it just is a silicone bowl with like a ventilated cover, and then you put the popcorn kernels at the bottom and then you pop it in the microwave and it makes it popcorn. Isn't that cool? So I'm really excited about this, and I will definitely let you guys know what I think. Maybe I'll try that tonight as well. So this is the pizza dough that I got from Trader Joe's. I mean, how amazing is it that you can just go in and get pizza dough? I'm sure a lot of grocery stores have that, but I think I've seen frozen. I don't think I've ever seen dough like
just like this, except maybe at an Italian bakery. This is the cheese we're using, fresh mozzarella. I wanted to get buffalo mozzarella, but we weren't sure, so I just got that. This is the sauce. I showed this to you before, the Rayo's marinara sauce. We're gonna have sausage and olives and cheese and really good sauce. So it'll be simple but really good, and clearly I did not inherit any of my father's pizza making skills. Everything is on the pizza. It looks pretty fully loaded. I'm excited to eat it. I just sprinkled some of my Yaya's oregano on top, which is fresh Greek oregano. It's the best, and we're gonna pop this in the oven. We just went to storage and picked up some of the things that we keep there. Well, all the Christmas stuff is in storage. So I have the majority of my Christmas balls in here. When I did my tree for the first year, I was in very rose gold, like metallic, and I still really like those. My trees growing up, we always had like ornaments from the years, so I don't do really a theme. It's a mix of everything. And then in this bin, I have my wreath. I have the really cute wallflower that I'm gonna switch out for this one from Bath & Body Works a few years ago. Looks like there's an apron, a ribbon, I'm guessing stockings and everything else are underneath. So now let's decorate this apartment and get more festive. And this one's also really cute because it's a little bit of a night light. I just hung up my wreath, which is very rose gold. I might switch this into something a little bit more festive, and I just realized I never took the tag off. And I like to put it inside just so I can see it more than the people outside. I have this little welcome mat, but because Montreal's so snowy, we really need something bigger. Since this is where like the only area we can come in. So I think I'm gonna put this outside, and then I'm gonna need to get a bigger one at Costco for inside just for the winter. So our plans have to be a little bit delayed because Mike put up the tree and it looks like some parts of the tree are not lit. So we should have checked this before we started, but for some reason I was like, oh, it'll be fine. But it's okay. The tree is up. We're gonna get new lights. Not the end of the world. I have my little pumpkin from Halloween that I don't know what to do with. I guess I'm gonna have to throw it out, but it's so cute. Does not match the theme going on here right now. And then I have our stockings on the little mantle holders, and then I have my furry white, I was gonna say my furry white snow, but my white stocking on piece. And then this is somewhat temporary. I have this bar cart and we weren't really gonna do anything on it, and then I saw my mom had these like red trees. She had given them to me, and this Old Navy, oh my god, I cannot talk. Bath & Body Works little house, and so I just am like kind of playing around with it. My mom's for sure gonna come over and like make everything look a little bit better, but at least I have some Christmas decor up. Not quite like what I was expecting, but at least I have some up now. I got some hot chocolate to make while we decorated the tree. We'll still have hot chocolate, but the tree trimming will definitely be postponed until tomorrow. Unfortunately, I was really excited to decorate, but you know what? There is more Christmas decor up in here, so I feel a little bit more festive. So, call me crazy, but this is the packaging for the Amika Blonde Bombshell Kit with all the products that I mentioned earlier. And I just love the shape of it. And we don't normally have Christmas morning at my apartment, but I love the way certain packages look underneath the tree. And since I get so many packages and boxes and stuff, I was wondering maybe I could wrap a few so it kind of fills out the bottom of the tree, and I just loved the shape of this one. I think I'm gonna have some hot chocolate, and I've been on a pomegranate seed kick, but I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and the pizza, everything on the pizza was good except the cheese was really not ideal. So if you make that pizza, don't use that cheese. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, links to everything I mentioned will be listed in the down bar down below. I hope you have a great day or night depending on when you watch this, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. I guess it does feel a little more cozy, don't you? With the half-lit tree.